Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm Talkback is running so gestures behave predictably. Unlock the S24 Ultra. When Talkback is active, use 2 finger swipes to scroll and single tap to select. Locate and open settings using the gear icon or the quick settings panel. Once done, make sure you hear verbal feedback on each selection so you know the system is responding. If you prefer, connect a USB-C keyboard to type settings in the search field to speed navigation. Once in settings, search for accessibility to jump directly to the right menu. This avoids extra taps and reduces confusion. Open accessibility, then choose installed services or interaction controls where Talkback is listed. Some builds call it voice assistant. Highlight the Talkback entry with a single tap and double tap to enter. When the Talkback detail page appears, focus the on/off toggle so you can disable it cleanly. This preserves other accessibility options while turning speech feedback off. To finish, double-tap the on/off toggle to disable Talkback. If a confirmation dialog appears, double-tap yes. After disabling, interaction returns to single-tap selection and normal gestures, so verify by navigating the home screen. If voice feedback still speaks, restart the phone and recheck accessibility to confirm it's off. If the toggle won't change, try the hardware shortcut, volume up plus volume down hold, or boot into safe mode to remove interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.